Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you review an easy, quick pancake recipe from one person. So you're gonna put in all the wet ingredients that are listed on screen and mix them well till very combined. After mixing, then you're gonna add in your flour and all the dry ingredients, which will all be on screen. Once you've added in all the dry ingredients, give everything a very good mix till you get a nice, not too thick pancake batter like this. Spray your pan or add in a tiny bit of oil, and then make sure you clean it off with a paper towel a bit so it looks like this. It's not too much oil. Then you're gonna scoop in your pancakes, okay? And I'm just doing 2 at a time, but fit as many as you can in your pan. This recipe makes around 4 to 5 pancakes depending on how big or small you make them. And once you do this, you're just gonna flip it once you get after 2 minutes. You should flip it when there's bubbles, then top it off with syrup or anything you like and enjoy. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.